In today's video, we're going to be looking at our Siri settings and how we can customize Siri to our own liking in macOS. As always, we'll find this option in our system preferences, and then by clicking the Siri button. From here, we can select our voice
Hi,
for Siri.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
For mobile users, you'll most likely want voice 2 in the UK as it's its default. However, in the US, it is voice 1 as a default. You can see what your shortcut will be to bring them up. So for me, if I hold Command and space, Siri will appear. There they are. And you can also change your language and your voice variant. So if you want your voice to be Australian, you can change it to that.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And
Hi,
as you can
I'm
hear,
Siri.
the voice
Choose the
changes
voice you'd like me to use.
depending on where the variety is set. You can also set feedback and delete your history with Siri too. And you can view your suggestions and your privacy settings with Siri too, about each different app as well. So in our Safari, we can change it if we want to change what we browse and what Siri sees there and how it's going to help us. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT solutions, cloud support, Office 365 and many more services.